What is going on, everybody? I'm Nick Betts here with AWS OnAir. I'm joined by my friend Patrick for a session of carpool karaoke. Is that correct, Patrick?
Yep, that's what we're here to do.
All right, perfect. AWS, guys, we do a little bit of everything. But no, Patrick, can you introduce yourself to everybody in our audience? What do you do for AWS, and why are we in this car?
Sure. My name is Patrick Palmer. I'm in content production in media and entertainment. And we're here to demonstrate what is it like to be on stage in a car shooting like a TV show.
Perfect. So what technology are we showing here? What makes this production different than any other production?
So what we're showing is, say you're doing, like, actors are in their car and they're going to sit here and talk just like we are.
Okay.
Right? So the idea is that you take this scene and all of this, you have to build it, right? So I start with that concept. Once you build it, you bring it to the production stage. And then we're shooting it here. We're shooting with red camera, and the idea is that as soon as you do that take, it goes straight to the cloud, straight to the editor, and you're editing right away.
That's cool. So what makes that different than maybe how it's been done before for some of our viewers that maybe aren't involved with video production?
So the idea is that in these days you need global workforce, and those artists are around the world. And so by building all of this racetrack, you're able to use artists from everywhere, from Europe into North America into Asia.
Okay.
And so from there, then you bring it into the production and then straight up into the cloud and take all of the advantages of it.
That's fantastic. So it's saving you a lot of money, I assume, with production costs, and it's making it much more efficient. You can collaborate with people from all over the world.
Yeah, I mean, productions start and stop really quickly. And so the idea is that AWS works really well because you just use the capacity when you need it immediately, and when you're done, shut it down and move on to the next.
All right, so what AWS services make this possible?
So a lot of it is based in like EC2, right? So you're using EC2, like the G5 instances for all the graphics.
Okay.
And for the editorial tools, your artist tools, all of them are very artist-centric and very visual. And so we're taking advantage of the graphics capabilities as well as like nice DCV for very interactive workflows.
Okay, so for customers coming to this booth today, what can they expect to do? What is the demo? Do I get to like live out my fantasy of being James Bond in a movie scene? Like, what can they expect? So, I mean,
it's really fun, right? Idea is you get into the car and you're thinking, is it a video game? What is it? But right immediately, once you see that you're working to a camera and you can act, everyone just hops in and has fun, and like they're in a race and they're gearing in and they get really fun. And then you actually get to see it with professional cameras, and then you're like, wow, this is really cool.
Oh, so as a customer coming into this, I actually get a little video shoot of myself.
Yeah, so
I mean,
we're certainly taking a picture of it so you can walk away and take, and you get to see it's really fun.
That's super fun, yeah, so you do get to kind of live out your action movie star dreams. All right, well, there you have it, folks. Come on down, talk to Patrick here, and learn about this real time. He give you a lot more detail. There's a ton of stuff that goes into all of this. Super cool to learn about. Thanks so much for your time.
Thank you.
All right, I'm going to pull on out. Back to you guys in the booth.